Nadia Dunn, welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Celine from Change Horizon. Celine, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
We loved your talk earlier on today. Thanks so much for that. Now, could you tell us a bit about your company, Change Horizon?
Sure. Change Horizon is all about change in the horizon. I've been driving transformation in the aviation and logistics industry for quite a while now, and 2 years ago I've decided to make it my own business and to start a consulting company to really continue with the transformation initiatives, but really help many different type of organization to be a better version of themselves. So that's really what I want to do, is to help organizations, freight forwarding companies, airlines, airports, etc., to look at what's in the future for them, what is the market looking for right now, what the customers are telling them, listen to that and really revisit their strategy and be a proof for the future.
That sounds great. And were there any effects from COVID-19 on the company?
Yeah, actually, it was. So I was lucky to start before, because I set up the company in 2019. So just before I secured mandates with customers before COVID, so I could really had a great year in 2020. 2021 is a bit different, and the fact that it was closed and couldn't meet customers, it was quite tough for me. It's thank God now it's reopening.
Absolutely.
And I can really feel the difference.
Yes.
Transformation and consulting, you need to be face to face. You need to hear people, and this cannot happen on Zoom. So,
well, even being here at this event, you can see the difference between people being face to face. There's so much excitement in the room.
Absolutely.
Now, tell us about your thoughts about e-commerce and digitalization in the logistics industry.
Well, that's one of the key trends that is going to affect, or that's already affecting today, the air cargo industry, but it's going to continue. We really expect doubling, tripling of the e-commerce volumes. Really, the logistics sector has a big role to play to make it happen. I would say that it has a big role to make it happen sustainably. We absolutely need to make sure that, at the start, and we are not even at the start right now, but relatively at the beginning, we need to have the right process in place, but that are allowing the business to be sustainable. For the moment, it's not quite the case. So a lot to do in packaging, waste management, the proper routing, etc., to not damage the planet. We need to better serve the customers. We need to benefit from that boom, but it has to be in a sustainable way.
Absolutely, that is the key word at the moment.
Yeah.
And something else you're passionate about is women in aviation. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, I'm passionate about actually transformation for good, and I really want to make sure that this industry is attractive. It's relevant, and to be attractive and relevant, you need to attract the right talents. You need to retain them. And if 50% of the world population are women, we need to have those women also represented in the industry, and they need to feel welcome. Welcome to come, welcome to stay, welcome to grow. For the moment, it's not yet the case, so we absolutely have to change that. It's a welcoming industry, but we need to do better in having women.
I do feel like that there were more this morning when you did your talk. You got the guys to stand up and then sit down and leave all the ladies in the room standing. And actually, from previous conferences, there does seem like there are becoming more women within the industry. Yeah,
it's finally it's happening. We need more, and we need more on stage. We will have more in the room and more in the jobs if we have also more women being the role models, etc. Because it's actually when you see some people that are like you and that are inspiring you that you want to join, you want to be a part of it. So more women on stage means more women also in the room and more women in the jobs.
Absolutely. And what are your thoughts about CCL TV being here at the conference?
Well, that's great. It's a great initiative. You know, everything to raise the profile of air cargo companies. To, you know, this world is so exciting. We are in a business that we are serving the world. We are making the world safe and healthy. Airlines are transporting vaccines, etc. I mean, this has to be shared.
Yeah.
So the more we have opportunities to share the good stories, the better.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time. It's been really lovely talking to you, and
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the conference.
I will.
Thank you.